So for the coffee painting, I'm taking little coffee. Now I'll show you how to do it. Okay. आपके
Ma'am, I can't see you.
You can't see? Hello?
Hello, ma'am, I can't see you. I can't
You
see
can't
the
see
camera.
means there is a problem in your connectivity, not me. Everyone can see me. Please log in again. आप log out होके फिर से log in करिए. Yeah, 1 minute. देखिए मैं अपने spoon से from my spoon I'm taking 1. So everyone will take half a spoon. Half spoon in 1. चारों उसमें आप half spoon डालेंगे. 4 बाउल्स है ना, 4 बाउल्स में half teaspoon of coffee. In all the 4 bowls, take half spoon of coffee powder. No, ma'am. Fine. So this is 1, 2, 3, and English name mix है, combine. So Nurullah is there. Nurullah is there. Please change your names according to your class. Shehzadi Begum, what's your name? Please on. You are new student? Okay, Shehzadi Begum. So you are ready with the coffee? Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So everyone, Nurullah, can you see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let's start with half teaspoon of coffee in all different 4 bowls. आप पूरे 4 bowls में मेरे पास ये है, ये 2. All 4 are there with me. So we are taking 4 different bowls and we are putting half teaspoon of coffee powder in all different 4 bowls. Okay? Fine. All different 4 bowls. Coffee चाहिए? Half teaspoon of coffee.
To use
Half teaspoon of coffee in all the 4 bowls. Okay? Yeah, Shehzadi Begum, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to take. Okay, Shehzadi, you have to take a drawing book also. या नहीं तो एक रफ पेपर अभी ले लीजिए. Shades, I'm going to show you how to do the shading part. Like 4 different shades I'll show you of coffee. Now we are going to take water. Fine. 1 teaspoon जो है आपका हर बाउल में, like first bowl you are going to put 4 teaspoons of water. First bowl 4 teaspoons of water. 4 teaspoons of water. I want teaspoons of water. You can't pour it like this. आप ऐसा नहीं डाल देंगे. Okay? 4 teaspoons of water. Please spoon से डालिए.
Okay. Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, जिसमें अपन
जी बोलिए.
इसमें कॉफी पाउडर डाला है, इसमें अपन 4 स्पून पानी डाला है.
हाँ. देखिए जिसमें हमने 4 बाउल्स में कॉफी पाउडर डाला है ना, वही बाउल्स में फर्स्ट बाउल में सब में हाफ टीस्पून ऑफ कॉफी पाउडर है ना, चारों में भी. तो फर्स्ट बाउल लेंगे, उसमें 4 टीस्पून ऑफ वाटर डालेंगे. आप जो चमचे से कॉफी लिए हैं, वो चमचे से 4 चम्मच पानी डालेंगे. 4 टीस्पून ऑफ वाटर. मैं पानी पी लूं, सब दिख रहा। 1 2 3 बोर्ड ढाकने वाला है। You have to mix that. Listen, मैं पूरा explain कर देती हूँ। फर्स्ट बॉल में 4 teaspoons of water, सेकेंड बॉल में 3 teaspoons of water, थर्ड बॉल में 2 teaspoons of water and फोर्थ बॉल में 1 teaspoon of water. Okay? You are going to decrease it. फर्स्ट वाले बॉल में 4 चम्मच, सेकेंड वाले बॉल में 3 spoons, थर्ड वाले बॉल में 2 spoons and फोर्थ वाले बॉल में 1 spoon. Fine? Everyone got it? Thumbs up.
Ma'am.
You got it? Very good.
No. Ma'am, 4
Yes.
spoons.
Yes?
4 spoons water.
I didn't tell 4 spoons. I told 4 spoons. फर्स्ट बॉल में 4 spoons, सेकेंड बॉल में 3 spoons, थर्ड बॉल में 2 spoons एंड लास्ट वाले बॉल में 1 spoon. Okay? There are 4 bowls. 4 कटोरे है ना? We are going to decrease the water. ये हो गया 1. हाँ, मिक्स करिए उसको, अच्छे से मिक्स करिए। अच्छे से मिक्स करिए। चलो ये पानी डाल ले, इसमें कॉफी बराबर से। See, I'm mixing the coffee. You have to mix it properly, okay? Otherwise the shade will not come. See, I'm mixing it. So you're going to mix it properly. All the 4. थोड़ा पानी देता हूँ। बहुत है। Okay, fine. Okay. See, I have all 4 shades. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 shades are there with me. See, can you see all 4 shades? So all of you ready with the 4 shades? Yeah, Nurullah. Okay, very good, very good. Now, uncle kahan hai? Now we'll take a paintbrush. Yes.
Like that.
Like that.
See.
Yes, very good. Wakhar, very good. So, beta, आपको ना उसमें लाइन से जमाना है. You have to keep it in a line. Shade number लाइक जिसमें पानी सबसे ज्यादा है पहला वो, फिर उससे कम वाला, उससे कम वाला, उससे कम वाला, लाइन से रखिए नहीं तो मिक्स हो जाएंगे. ओके नहीं तो मिक्स हो जाएंगे बेटा. इट विल गेट मिक्स्ड. यू हैव टू कीप. यस वेरी गुड. यू हैव टू कीप इट इन अ लाइन.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, see we have learned 1 2 3 also. Max, wow, great. 4 3 2 1 go. Fine. So we'll start the shading part. Gilani. See, you can, all of you can see the board now. तो जो हमारा फर्स्ट वाला शेड है that will be a lighter shade. Light shade. If it is little dark, we are going to mix more little water to make it really wet. Ayan, आवाज बंद करो. So we are going to make it more light. So whenever we are doing some painting, so we give the background shade, so that will be light. See, I'm sharing a screen with you. In this, only 3 shadings are shown. So not to worry, I'm sharing a picture. See this. Yeah. Oh, fine. Okay, fine. See, you got it now? So these are going to be the shades. So lighter shade will be this. Darkest will be more darkest. In this, it is not shown the darkest shade. It will be more dark than this. So I'm going to show you. Chammach. See. देखिए आपका ये light shade है. Can you see it over here? Four वाला, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा पानी है. Listen, first shade will be in which you have made 4 teaspoons of water now. Yes, Nurullah, do a shading on a paper on your drawing book, one side. Please don't do the whole page. You have to write lighter, little dark, more dark, and the darkest. Fine. So do it in a corner so you can write the names over here. So this will be your lightest shade. If it is looking little dark, so you have to mix more little water and make it light. Okay. Fine. So you thought in your life you will be doing a coffee painting with coffee? No. See, we are getting the shades. So shade number 1 is over. So I'm just keeping it separately. Now shade number 2. The second, 3 teaspoons of water bowl. We are going to take that.
Then shade number 1 is lightest.
Lightest. See, this is shade number 2. So we are making 4 shades. See, this is shade number 2. Can you see the difference in both? This is shade
number 1 is lightest.
Shade number 1 will be the lightest one. Lightest shade. Lightest shade. Okay? Okay. Then it will be medium shade and the dark and the darkest. वो जगह इधर हम लोग रोज खेलते बोलना. जैनब मैम भी खेलते हैं हमारे साथ, बतुल मैम भी खेलते हैं हमारे साथ. So you finish with the second shade, everyone. Three spoons wala. Here I'm showing you the third one with 2 teaspoons of water. I'm showing the third shade with 2 teaspoons of water. Okay, fine.
Only light color.
बेटा आप क्या कर रहे हो वो विहार? See how I did. You have to do it in that way only. How I did, you have to do in that way only. हाँ. So you got it? I'm showing you the third shade. हाँ.
अभी क्या हुआ हमारे देखा के साथ लैपटॉप पर था नहीं टेबल को टेबल हटाने का देखो जहाँ अभी देखा क्या हुआ टेबल को ने क्लास अटेंड कर रहा तो लैपटॉप हटाने लैपटॉप चल गया पूरा टूट गया
See, this is the third shade. This is the third shade. You are doing second. Second वाला कर रहा है. Second कहाँ करें?
सेकंड वाला थर्ड है ना.
ये first हो गया light, medium, dark and darkest.
हाँ वो तो
Means आप ये second वाला कर रहे हैं?
हाँ.
Okay. 3 teaspoons of water. Okay, the third shade was with 2 teaspoons of water. Why you are getting all the shades same? Sakina, that is wrong. Sakina, you are getting all the shades of same color. Okay, then next will be the last darkest shade. Yeah. See, the last one is the darkest shade. मैं तो फोर्थ वाला बता रही लास्ट. थर्ड वाला टू वाला. One minute. Let me finish this darkest shade. See, you got this darkest shade over here. Yes, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. एक मिनट हम लोग क्या मिस्टेक करें देखते हैं. Yes, tell me now. Yeah, 1 minute. Let me remove this. And fine. So these are the shades. I'll stop sharing, then I can get back to you and talk to you. Yeah, tell me now. हाँ बेटा, इसके ऊपर एक मत करिए, उसको फैलाइए. वो सेकंड है, थर्ड है?
थर्ड है.
हाँ, तो ये बहुत डार्क कर दिया. हाँ. Okay, Vekhar is there, Nurullah has there. Who has gone? Nida is not there. So today all Sakinas are there over here. Sayyida Sakina, Sakina Fatima and Sayyida Sakina. So all 3 Sakinas are there. That's really great. Fine. No, Nida Fatima. Okay, Nida Fatima is also there. Nida Fatima, I can find all the shades are same. I don't want that. Hello Nida, see my shades. My shade card, can you see? See my shade card. This is the lightest, medium, dark and the darkest. Okay, please, I told you na, if you are getting a light shade into a dark, so mix little more water and make the as much as light you can. First shade should be very lightest shade. See, I got it. If you mix the water properly, then only. If it is like little bit here and there, don't do anything, mix little more water. Okay, Nurullah, fine. Nurullah, second shade is not right. First lightest shade is good. Second is not right. And the fourth one is not right, Nurullah. Fourth one should be more dark.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fine. You can keep on practicing on the rough paper till you get the shades, and I'll show you what all you can do with this. See, this is I have 1 minute.
Ma'am, over.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm just sharing a screen with you what you can do. This is the coffee painting. Can you see everyone? Hello?
Over, ma'am.
Yeah, can you see my screen? See, this type of paintings are made with coffee. These are coffee paintings. These are not colors. They have done it with coffee. So can you see the shades, different shades? You have light shade, medium, dark, and the darkest. One tortoise is of lightest shade and dark lines. The other one is light lines and the darkest shade. See how they have made it? So first, whenever we are doing painting of coffee, so we are going to use the lightest shade. Then we are going to increase the darkness of the shade. First, if you do the dark shade, then your painting will be spoiled. So on the whole paper, first we are going to do one coating of complete light shade. Completely light shade you are going to do it. Then we are going to, according to the painting and according to your design, what's there in your mind, we are going to do the painting. Fine. Little bit better. Last shade should be more darkest. Can you see this tortoise? See this tortoise? Dark shade. Same way that dark shade should come. See, I have that dark shade only over here. Okay. So these are the things. So I'm going to share this thing in your Google Classroom also. You can see the photographs, reference photographs, and can do the painting. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. इन्हें थोड़ा और डार्क होना, फोर्थ वाला. हाँ, कॉफी मिला उसमें थोड़ी सी. Fine. Yes. Yeah, you got it? Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to do this practice and no need of making any painting now. Next class, we are going to do the painting part. I'll show you with the shadings how to do it. If you try, it will get spoiled. If you want to do it by your own, no problem. You can use one paper, A4 size papers and try doing on it. Okay, Nurullah, last one should be darkest shade.
Ma'am, darkest only.
एकदम चॉकलेट कलर आना बेटा, उसका डार्क चॉकलेट बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, वैसा. उसमें आप थोड़ी सी कॉफी मिक्स कर दीजिए. आपके पास हो सकता कॉफी लेस थी उसमें, तो थोड़ी सी कॉफी पाउडर मिक्स करके उसको अच्छा सा मिक्स करिए.
Okay.
तो आपको शेड आ जाएगा. ओके, फाइन. Fine everyone, so you got it, how to mix the shades. All 4 shades I have showed you. So in next class, we are going to do complete scenery or painting in that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And who has not submitted their homework in Google Classroom, they got 0. Today is the last day to submit.